Today we're going to make a moving eye cat craft. These are all the things that you need. You need 1 paper and 2 color paper, any color that you like, and 1 strip of paper, glue, ruler, pencil, marker, and cleaning pipe. 3 cleaning pipe. This is the first step. You need to make a circle. So I'm going to use my basket, the round shape basket, to trace the round shape. Now we're going to draw the eyes. So we need a round shape container, a small one for the eyes. Then you trace it. 2 eyes. So there you go. Once you already draw the face and the eyes, you need to cut and color. Then you get this. Now take the color paper, 2 color paper, to draw the ears. 1 is for the inner ear, 1 is the outer ear. So let's draw a triangle for the ear. The ear is done, we cut it out. So we get the inner ear and the outer ear. Now we need to paste the inner ear on top of the outer ear. Now we are going to make the moving eye. So we need 1 strip of paper, this length, and put the face on top of the strip. I'm going to draw a circle, so that you know where the eyes is. Now we're going to color the eyes. I've done coloring my eyes, so it'll be like this. Now on to the next step. Let's paste the ear first. We're going to paste the ear on top of here. Put a little glue, paste it here. 1 more. Okay. Next step is we're going to paste the whisker. So I'm going to glue it on top of the face. Now I'm going to draw the mouth area. Some dot here to make it cute. We are on the last step. I'm going to teach you how to make the eyes move. Okay. And now you can play with it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun. I see you next time. Bye bye.